Hello everyone, this is Barbara Template and today I'm going to show you how to upload a font to Canva. If you have some new font, how to upload it there so you can use it. So let's go to my Canva. I'm going to share the screen. So here we have Canva. We want to upload a font. First of all, when we're uploading a font, usually font is in a zip file. So we just open the zip file and save the font or whatever it's in the zip file somewhere. So we want to go to brand kit and we go down here to uploaded fonts. Okay, I've got a few of them uploaded, as you can see. So we go to upload a font. Now we search for the font we want to upload. For example, here I have a delightful font. I've got a Pretty Queen font. So I just click on it, open. Yes, I want to upload. I know I've got right to use it. So yes, upload it anyway. So it's called Pretty Queen, yeah? Okay, it takes a while. And now let's check, and it should be already here. Pretty Queen regular, okay? So let's check if the font is there in some design. Okay, Facebook cover, for example. Okay, without text. Heading, I'm gonna make it bigger so you can see this. Okay, the name of the font was Pretty Queen, so let's just write it here, Pretty Queen. And let's search for the font. So when you go to fonts, it always comes up after recently used. Here, so I've got a brand kit of fonts and here uploaded fonts. So I'll just search for Pretty Queen now. It's all in alphabetic order. So Pretty Queen, there we go. And it's there, yeah. If you don't want some font which you've uploaded, you just put it in a bin. That's all. So very simple. Just upload a font and you upload a file, which is usually the ending of the file is oops, I need to move this, OPT or something like that. Or ORF, all of them work with Canva, yeah? So this is how you do it. Very simple, and you can use any font you like for your brand or for your visuals. That's all for today. Bye.